Hey everyone! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Mini Metal Lathe Machine Review. Number 4. This DIY mini metal wood turning lathe machine is a versatile tool for hobbyists and professionals. With a 36W motor running at 20,000 RPM, it handles wood and small metal projects effortlessly. Compact and efficient, it operates on AC 100-240V, making it ideal for woodworking, model making, and other precision crafting tasks. Number 3. This high-precision mini manual metal watch lathe machine is perfect for intricate watch and clock machining. It offers variable speeds for enhanced control and precision, ensuring smooth operations for delicate projects. Designed for hobbyists and professionals alike, it's compact, efficient, and ideal for fine metalwork in watchmaking and repair tasks. Number 2. Main parts of the machine. The main components of the main shaft box, intermediate block, connecting block, tailstock, large slider, small slider, hand wheel, support, and so on are made of metal. The quality of the product is improved, more durable and more precise. Parameter, input voltage, AC 100V-240V 50-60Hz, output voltage, DC 12V2A, motor rated power, 24W, motor speed, high-speed motor 20,000 RPM plus or minus 15%. Number 1. The 60W high-power mini metal lathe machine tool, BTZ20002 mg is perfect for model making and educational projects. With a max workpiece capacity of 135 by 135 mm and speeds up to 12,000 RPM, it delivers precision for intricate tasks. Compact and efficient, it's ideal for hobbyists, schools, and workshops. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.